Clouds coming back for the day on Wednesday. We had a lot of sunshine today, but it didn't get all that warm across the valley. A lot of places were right around 60 or so this afternoon, but clouds around, some light rain at times, mainly just sprinkles, I think, tomorrow afternoon. I think overall there's not going to be much of anything falling from the clouds on Wednesday. Probably dry all morning and maybe just a little bit of spotty sprinkles and drizzle later in the afternoon. But Thursday could be a little wetter with more significant showers. A warmer weekend, we could probably hit at least close to 80 on some areas on Saturday, maybe a better chance for more 80s on Sunday and going into early next week. So it will be a good warm-up, but you just have to wait a couple more days for it. Right now it's 45 in Weslaco, 44 in Harlingen. Showing you these numbers just in case you're wandering out the door tonight for a little late night snack or something like that. It's a little chilly out there. Good news is there's not much wind, but temperatures will drop a few more degrees, mostly down into the low to mid 40s tonight. Although high clouds are increasing and thickening up, so with more cloud cover coming in, that's going to kind of limit how low it can go. We may actually drop down to these numbers early tonight, say midnight, 1, 2 p.m., and then start to come back up in some areas as the clouds thicken. So it may not be quite this chilly if you're up at the usual chilliest time of the night, right around sunrise. So tomorrow when you wake up, probably in the mid to maybe upper 40s, clouds around at 8 a.m. and clouds all day long tomorrow, near 55 at noon, near 60 for a high, but this could be a little variable. If the sprinkles hold off, it may be a little warmer than that, but generally right around 60 or maybe slightly higher for a high in the afternoon, but in the 50s again in the evening. And the better chance of some sprinkles are more likely late in the afternoon, then a better chance of more kind of little light rain showers will be tomorrow night and Thursday. So if you plot the rain graph there, the chances of rain near zero when you wake up, but climb a little bit as the day goes on, only to about 20 to 30% by early afternoon, but then keep going up by this time tomorrow night, probably around 40 to 50%, and then close to 60% or so by the day on Thursday, where there could be more, I wouldn't say heavy showers, but not just sprinkles possible on Thursday, maybe a few scattered light to moderate showers around. Satellite radar shows lots of high clouds increasing, gradually starting to thicken up, but no rain out there right now in the valley. And Future Track shows overnight just looking for clouds thickening, a little chilly through tomorrow morning as temperatures start the day in the 40s and low 50s, and then by noon clouds around, a sprinkle or two possible, and not much during the afternoon. But notice by tomorrow night and then into Thursday, the green indicates more significant showers as it gets darker green shadings there. So maybe a few rain showers around all through the day on Thursday before it kind of moves out Thursday night. I think Friday, if you're up early and have plans, there might be a couple sprinkles early in the morning, but I think Friday overall is a pretty dry day and the clouds may start to break up a bit later in the afternoon. The cold temperatures, look at these numbers. Right now, actual temperature, no wind chill, in the teens in Pennsylvania, below zero in Chicago. The air temperature right now at 7 below, Minneapolis at 24 below, 20 below in Minot, North Dakota. And some of these observations, these smaller towns, I was looking at as cold as about 33 below in parts of northern North Dakota. So that's the cold stuff coming down. Not coming this way, but it will still be, a little on the cool side here tomorrow. Down to 43 late tonight, clouds thickening up as the night goes on, and then tomorrow back up to around 60 degrees, clouds and maybe a sprinkle or two. Best chance of a sprinkle by afternoon, but temperatures near 60 during the day. And then the warm-up begins. A little warmer on Thursday with highs mostly in the upper 60s and some clouds. A couple of rain showers off and on throughout the day. Friday we start to clear out a little bit by afternoon, but I think Saturday and Sunday you'll start to see the sun break through each day. Highs in the 70s to near 80 on Saturday. And look at that, we could be maybe some poolside weather there on Sunday. Highs in the low 80s and then staying warm for a few more days Monday and Tuesday. But longer range forecasts do show another cool down late next week by about Wednesday night or Thursday.
And now we know why winter Texans come to the valley every year. Those temperatures up north are crazy.
Because you can't square dance when it's 27 below.
All right, that's weather. Now sports.